Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.1.17 Button Clusters Locations. Column B on all sheets is for buttons that are clustered. The pattern of button clusters is protection, hide and unhide, followed by the repetition of the administrative and elevation clusters, sometimes frequently. Mixed in the column B pattern are the go-to index buttons located at the beginning of a topic heading row. On most administrative sheets, like the tables, definitions, abbreviations sheet, the index is a button cluster. Within the topics on that sheet, there are other clusters. The project cost summary sheet is an administrative sheet with a cost workup sheet layout with the buttons structured accordingly. The project dimensions sheet is an administrative sheet with a cost workup sheet layout with the buttons structured accordingly. On the elevation sheets, dimensions buttons are clustered as needed for the respective component. On the 174 cost workup sheets, button clusters locations are horizontally above the header row 26 on all cost workup sheets, vertically above column I and J header on all cost workup sheets, horizontally above category and summary table header rows. The cluster of 174 cost workup buttons appears only on 3 sheets. Table of contents. Tab name is TABLEOFCONTENTS. Project cost summary. Tab name is PRJTCOSTSMRY. Tables, definitions, abbreviations. Tab name is TBLSDEFSABRV. Sheet names worksheet, if it is available, is only a list of sheets. There are topical button clusters not itemized in this example. This example 2.1.17 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 2.1.18.